We're going to bisect this particular angle, and we're going to bisect this. Essentially, we're going to cut it in half. Okay, so how do we do that? It's pretty simple. First of all, we have to find a point which is equidistant from here. Okay, so let's do that. Put the compass point there, set it to any length, doesn't really matter. I've set it to this length. Inscribe an arc here on one arm of the angle, and without changing the setting of the compass or where it's positioned, inscribe another arc. So now I have this situation here. I've got two small arcs intersecting the armatures, and these are exactly the same distance away from this point here. Now, usually it's a good idea to reset the compass point, make it a bit longer, and again, put the compass point here and inscribe an arc. So there's an arc there. Don't change this. Put the compass point on the other arc that we made earlier and inscribe an arc intersecting the one we've just drawn. So right here you can see there's an intersection. And now, for the last stage, to actually bisect the angle, we join up this intersection right here as accurately as you can with the original point here on the angle, and inscribe a straight line. And now this angle is exactly the same as this angle. We have bisected the angle.